Hi and thank you for watching this Kushan Drive's video. This video is a sped up version of our drive from Dirang up to Sela Pass in Arunachal Pradesh during the Trans Arunachal Drive 2022. Now I have sped this video up between 4x and 8x, otherwise it would have been over an hour long. I still have the original footage, and if you want to get in touch with me for that footage, please do so. Now Dirang is at about 5,300 feet and the Sela Pass is at 13,700 feet, and we got from Dirang to Sela Pass on National Highway 13. This is the access road from Dirang to Tawang. It took us about 2.5 hours and we were driving a Mahindra Thar. It was an amazing drive, and as you can see in the second half of the video, once we crossed the cloud layer at about 10,000 feet above sea level, the skies opened up to this stunning blue scene, and you can see the entire eastern Himalayas, some snow-capped hillocks. The hills must have been around 20,000 feet high, and the scenes were stunning. So at 5,300 feet right now, as you're driving through these small, hamlets, I guess, you can see that the vegetation is almost subtropical, and as you go higher and higher and higher, you see vegetation start disappearing on the hillsides. In fact, the higher reaches of this road reminded me a bit of Pikes Peak. It would be awesome to see Pikes Peak out here. Over there you could see the army transporting big artillery guns all the way up to Tawang. It's a great place to visit and I would really suggest you do so. We were driving a Mahindra Thar and I'm very grateful for Arunachal Pradesh Tourism for arranging this drive. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more such videos. This is an amazing part of the world, and again I really implore you to visit Arunachal Pradesh. And driving through the clouds isn't as easy as you think it is.